Okay, here we are with the Great Swing Meter Challenge of 2008 continued. Got them both here. I got them just mocked up. Neither one of them was mounted properly. On the left is the Dehart NZ or RZ8082 by Dehart Electronics, and the one on the right is the Swing Guard Model 2B. 2B as in boy, made by Swing Guard. The one on the right you can only rent or lease. It's $45 a month, no sales. And the one on the left is about $3,900. They don't make that model anymore. You got to get a updated model. But this test is basically just to see how they compare to each other. Now, I believe there's something wrong with my one on the right. I don't I didn't rent it from them. I bought it off of eBay, not realizing that you can't buy them. This is probably an old stolen or lost one that the company had to write off. But as far as the sensitivity goes, I think it's right on with the more expensive one. This one has the advantage of the size of it is small, and it just sits there. There's a motor on the back, and it plugs in. I get everything plugged in over here, and it just plugs in, and that's it. This guy, you have this big head unit, display unit, controls on it, and then you got this gyro that you have to find a spot for, but that can actually go in the whiskey locker. It doesn't have to be in your wheelhouse. So let's see if I can get both of these into the shot at once, both needles. This one on the left is supposed to max out at 24 degrees per minute on low sensitivity, I think, and then 12 degrees per minute on high sensitivity. And this one on the left can be set for 30 degrees or for 90 degrees, maxing it out. Which means that when that needle goes all the way to the 30, that's about roughly 30 degrees per minute. And the one on the right should correspond to about 24 degrees per minute, and then if the needle's maxed out, it's buried. So they seem to be right on the money. I mean, when one moves, the other one moves also. I mean, there's seems to be a little bit of a delay, but this one on the left has adjustable damping. But you can get an idea how they work and which one's going to be better for you. The one on the right is more of an old school design, old school appearance. It's simpler, and if you ever have a problem with it, you just send it back and they send you a new one. This one over here, you're stuck with it, but the company's still around, still in business, and they still support it. So that's about that.
Okay, thank you.